My name is Allison, and I'm going to walk you through how to send a message from your mobile Text Alerts account. You'll be a pro texter in no time. Let's get started. Once you're logged in to your account, navigate to the Send a Message tab. First, choose who you'd like to receive your message. You can choose to send to all of your subscribers, to specific individuals, or to subscriber groups that you've set up on your account. If you select to send to individuals or groups, you'll be able to search through all of your subscriber and group lists to find who you're looking for. Next, type out the content of the message in the text box. You can use the icons on the bottom of the text box to add different elements to your message. Don't forget to keep an eye on your character count. But if you need to send a longer message, don't worry. Once you hit the character limit, your message will still send out. It will just count as 2 or more credits instead of 1. Note that if you attach an image or select to send your message as an MMS, your message will count as 3 credits with a maximum character count of 1,550. Take a look at the message preview on the right to see how your message will look. You can also send a test message if you'd like to see how the message comes through on your own phone before sending it out to your intended recipients. If you're happy with how the message looks, you're ready to send. You can click the Send Message button to send the message right away, or you can click the arrow to schedule the message for a later time. You'll be able to select the specific date and time for the message to be sent. You can also select whether or not you'd like the message to send out on a repeating basis. To manage your scheduled messages, go to Messages, Scheduled Messages. From here, you can view, edit, and delete any scheduled messages. Once a message has been sent, you can view information for that message under Reports, Sent Messages Report. One other way you can send messages to individual recipients is by navigating to the Inbox tab. From here, you can click to compose a message. Then you can type in your recipient's information and the content for your message. This method is quick, convenient, and even lets you text phone numbers that haven't yet been added to your subscriber list. Congratulations! You now know how to send a message and are ready to take on the world of mass texting. Don't forget to use the chat box on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen if you have any questions. Happy texting!